This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey, gardening spirit boosters, welcome back to the channel. Welcome any and all new subscribers. Please, 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 let's stay together. Please, let's work together to support each other. Visit often or as much as you can. And I appreciate it, and I hope you appreciate me coming to your channel to support you. Well, today I am sharing with you one of my new plants. It's a cactus, and it has a lot of Mickey Mouse ears going on. And I don't really like touching it because I don't like getting those cactus splinters in my hand. If any of you have a cactus plant like this, it's very unique to me because of the design on it, like polka dot, white polka dots on it. It's so adorable. Mickey Mouse ears, white polka dots, beautiful green color. I don't know if it's coming out in the camera, but I got it from the Home Depot. Plants are very, very expensive. They have gone up in price. If you can get plants at a discount, I would advise you and suggest that you do that, because if you don't know how to propagate or have your plants, create more plants from one plant, it's called propagation. Leaf cuttings or placing it in some water or some soil, because that's your best bet to get new plants without expense. It's by propagation, leaf cutting, so forth and so forth. But yeah, this plant is so adorable. I love it. I shared with you guys my brand new snake plant, cylinder snake plant. I love it. I hope that I don't over water or over care for these plants where they die. Well, at Home Depot they do have a policy where if your plant dies, keep your receipt and you can get a replacement or a refund, something like that. So hold on to your receipts if you get plants from Home Depot. I'm not sure about Lowe's or any other nurseries or plant stores, but I know Home Depot policy does that, because I asked before I left if it was still in effect, and the woman said yes. So, but yeah, I love this plant. I'm glad to be sharing it with you guys. If you guys think this is a nice plant and you know the name, please comment in the comment section. And thank you so much if you do for sharing. And you got any suggestions as far as care for it, if you ever had one, or what you would do with cactus plants. And I hopefully some people that have cactus gardens and a cactus collection will come through, because I love all different kinds of plants and stuff like that. So I don't discriminate on any garden. That's why I love going to all around the world on YouTube to visit different countries where gardeners. Some of you guys have, some of you guys have some incredibly beautiful plants that I don't think we have in the United States. And if we do, I don't know where they are. But I love going around to my subscribers' channels and checking out their beautiful gardens, beautiful plants, beautiful care and maintenance of gardens. You guys share. You guys are beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. And I'm going to let you go. But I just had to tell you guys, compliment you on your gardens and your style, and wish you all well, and continue to keep making gardening videos, because I need somewhere to go. I love listening to foreign voices. It's so soothing to me. I don't know why, but I love my foreign country people's voices. It's very, very relaxing. I guess one day, maybe, I don't know, I'll learn a couple of words. I'll just put it in the whatever that language thing is. And then it doesn't even matter because pictures are words. Bye, guys. Happy gardening. Thanks for your time and support.